Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Adwoa Dime, and I am back with another video. I'm back. Thank you all for tuning in. Today I'm going to put y'all on to some game. Okay, I'm about to put y'all on. I'm going to be showing you how to achieve 4 different styles with braiding hair. It's not everyday Brazilian, it's not everyday Indian raw straight, it's not everyday. Sometimes it's cool, you know. Get you a pack of hair for like $1.99, $5.99 from the beauty supply store and make it work, okay? And those styles are actually so sleek and elegant to me. We got a budget and be about our money in 2021, so great way to reel us into the new year, right? So I will be using the Janet Hair Collection Afro Twist braiding hair texture in the color 1B, which matches my hair. Don't go buy no yucky straight hair trying to do a updo. We got like 4C, 4B, 3C hair. Like, no, we can't be fighting textures here. So the Afro Twist braiding hair matches my hair texture, so I will be using that. And just some housekeeping rules. As always, whatever you may be going through right now, whatever may be troubling your mind at the moment, just let it go. For the next 5 to 10 minutes, you're here with me. Smile, let's have some fun, and woosah. All right, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so I actually had to start gelling my hair down off camera because it was getting a little ratchet. I could not find my eco styler or my edge control, which I really wanted to show y'all because that edge control is bomb, but I got y'all. It's gonna come, but I'm still link everything. I use Gorilla Snot for my whole head, which that would not be my first choice. It does work. Your hair has to be pretty moist, not damp, but wet, even with the other ones, but those are more so water-based. I use that with this and it makes a perfect hold, but this is very sticky. It can be tricky, so you have to be careful with this. What I'm going to show you all is kind of how I do my edges without it looking too dramatic. So my handy dandy toothbrush, what I would do is I'll lightly begin to stroke it, apply the product on, and then I'll swoop like so. And I'll kind of still show you guys what I did here without messing up my swoops. I did. And especially when I'm doing the ninja bun, I try to get my hair in the shape I want it. I would take this here, lay my edges down. Yeah. That happens when you get too strong here. That happens, you just grab another one and zoom what you gotta zoom. At first I did not know how to use these, but I've really come to love them now that I know how to use them. I used to think they were just supposed to stick, which I think they do when they do the, y'all remember when we used to do them updos and wraps? So I think I'm gonna start with the ninja bun. The ninja bun is the easiest. You can style it in many different ways. It goes with everything, but I specifically love it for like sleek looks, slick looks, sleek, slick, sleek, slick. Y'all get the vibes. And this doesn't have to be perfect. And what I like to do is run my fingers through to fluff it up so it looks more natural. So what I will usually do is I'll try to get a grip, and then I'll go ahead and put the bobby pins, but I usually do this, whichever works for you. This is one thing I used to hate about updos when I was younger. Sticking the bobby pin, especially if the bobby pin is sticked in the wrong spot. Oh, that'll mess up your whole day. You can play around with it to get the shape that you want. Let's see if we can make a zoo with it. Oh, okay. Looks like we get into something here.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now, as for style number 2, using the same exact hair. So you just take this, I just call this high bun. It's definitely a looser style. Let's see what we can do with the scarf here. We may be up to something, y'all. And of course, I would not style it with this, even though it goes perfectly fine. I'm thinking like, you know, a yacht, bowl. This is more so like a day look. Now, last but not least, I'm going to do my pineapple updo. And with this one, again, using the same exact hair. The only different thing with this style is I may add some more hair. So I will just take a pack of the same Janet Collection hair. I will go ahead and cut it in half. I will just take a half here. Probably mess with the ends a little bit. I'll combine the two together like so. Peek it in the middle and grab my scrunchie. Place the scrunchie in the middle. And this is what you don't want to happen. You don't want it to be uneven like this. I'm just gonna add both halves of that bundle we cut because I do want my pineapple to be a little fuller. This is all, again, according to your preference as to how big and fluffy you want your pineapple. Once it actually gets on your head, it may not look as fluffy as it does in your hand. So don't be deceived. So right now, for example, this looks like a big clump of hair in my hair right now. But once I actually put it on my head, it won't look as big. So this is the part you have to pay attention to because it can get a little tricky. So you grab the hair tie, place it. Make sure you double knot it. And you're going to play around with it. And the thing with this hairstyle here is it does require pins. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it from the inside. I don't want to pin the ends because I don't want it to look too uniformed. I want it to look like a natural high puff pineapple. Grab the inside and I'll kind of tuck it from the inside so it's not noticeable. Okay, y'all, so I guess here's a bonus style. All I did was just tuck everything in, and this gave us like a high poofy bun type of effect. These are 3 ways, well now 4 ways that you can style braiding hair in an updo. Very classy, very quick. You can do these styles in a matter of minutes. The gelling your hair down is the longest part of it all. You can achieve these styles in a matter of 5 minutes and under $5. The Janet Collection hair I use does retail at $5.99, but you can literally get hair from the hair store for $1.99 and make it do what it do, and you will be good to go, looking like a rich mama's on a budget. Because no need to break the pockets if you don't got to, right, sis? So thank you all for tuning in. I really, again, appreciate you guys. I love you guys with all of my heart. I wish y'all nothing but the best. I wish y'all nothing but blessings upon blessings upon blessings. May the blessings overflow as y'all pour into me, as y'all subscribe. Oh, to all y'all looking people that have not subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe. If y'all want us to grow, well, make sure you subscribe. If you don't already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Adwoa Dime. I'm doing a giveaway where I'm, with the help of you all, going to give away $1,000 to a growing Black business. We started polling about 2-3 weeks ago, and now we're finally here. We have a finalist who I will link right here. So make sure you do that. And I just want to leave you all with 2 Peter chapter 3 verses 8-9, where we're being reminded not to forget that one day is like 1,000 years to the Lord, and that the Lord is not slow in keeping his promises. So let's just be reminded of that as we go about in our weeks, in our days, in our months, even into this new year, that whatever we're going through, the Lord will see us through and will bring us to a perfect end. So do not grow weary in doing good. Do not grow weary just living life overall. Just cast your burdens, all anxiety, all timidity onto him, and I promise you, I'm a living testament that all will be well. So God bless you guys. I love you guys so much, and see y'all.